Hello, and welcome to Lesson 7. These are 20 more commonly used English vocabulary words. We're going to learn some sentences and some definitions, so make sure you get your paper and get ready to write all these down. First, allow, allow, allow. Allow is a verb. To allow means to let something happen. The ticket allows the people to watch a movie. Announce, announce, announce. Announce is a verb. To announce something means to make it known. The couple announced their engagement to their friends. Oh, that's pretty awesome. Beside, beside, beside. Beside is a preposition. Beside means to be next to something or someone. The woman walks beside the lake on the golf course. Challenge, challenge, challenge. Challenge is a noun. A challenge is something that is difficult to complete. Rock climbing is a challenge, but it is also fun. I like it too. Claim, claim, claim. Claim is a verb. To claim something means to say it is true. The girl claims to know the answer and raises her hand. Condition, condition, condition. Condition is a noun. A condition is the state that a person is in. The woman's condition was better thanks to the doctors. Contribute, contribute, contribute. Contribute is a verb. To contribute to something is to help make it successful. The volunteers all contributed to the food drive. Difference, difference, difference. Difference is a noun. A difference is a way that things are not the same. There was a difference in the color of the two birds. Divide, divide, divide. Divide is a verb. To divide something is to make it into smaller parts. The pizza was divided into 4 delicious slices. Expert, expert, expert. Expert is a noun. An expert is someone that is good at doing something. That man fixing my car is an expert mechanic. Famous, famous, famous. Famous is an adjective. To be famous means to be known by many people. The famous movie star was on the red carpet for pictures. Force, force, force. Force is a noun. Force is a person's strength or power. He used a lot of force to move the weight up. Harm. 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 Harm is a noun. Harm is pain or problems made by someone or something. All pollution harms the planet is a serious problem. Lay. Lay. Lay is a verb. To lay something is to put it flat down. The man lay the tiles on the floor in a pattern. Peace. 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 Peace is a noun. Peace is a time without war. All soldiers wish for peace more than the countries at war. Prince. 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 Prince is a noun. A prince is the son of a king and queen. The prince would be king one day and wear the crown. Protect. 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 Protect is a verb. To protect someone is to stop them from getting hurt. The net helps protect the beekeeper from getting hurt. Sense. 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 Sense is a verb. To sense something is to know it without being told. The man didn't sense his granddaughter coming. She surprised him. Sudden. 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 Sudden is an adjective. When something is sudden, it happens quickly. The man woke up suddenly when the alarm rang. Therefore. 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 Therefore is an adverb. Therefore means for this reason. The weatherman says it will rain, therefore we need an umbrella. I hope you had fun today, and I will see you in the next lesson. Goodbye.